Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for gold. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios price may take and explain why I prefer one counter over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 1 hour, actually we could go back to 4 hour here. We had the idea of having the higher time frame structure for gold coming down, ending down here at these lows of 21st of July. Since then we've had some kind of move upwards. However, it is looking kind of impulsive, although it does not reach all the targets we are set and we normally see for impulse wave structures. This wave 3 here, again, is measured using the wave 1 as the reference basically, and we did not hit the 1.618 here, not even close to it. So let's see, where did we actually hit? Probably like 1.236. Yeah, that's close enough. But yeah, did not hit the 1.618. If I am trying to make this structure into a wave 3 in its smaller structure, like we would have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then this here, this possible wave 4 compared to this wave 2 here would be very out of proportion. So that's why I'm still kind of preferring this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, we have to acknowledge that this still looks like wave 4, even if it would be in that other degree as I mentioned. So if we are going to be breaking this area here, this lows of wave 4, then I would be more confirming that this indeed was an end of this wave structure. So again, my targets are currently still below here. So even if we are reverting now, it is still possible that this whole thing could be a completed sequence here. So what do we have after here? After this possible wave 4, I've labeled this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, ending diagonal here into the first of minute here. After that point, I've labeled this as a wave, as a leading diagonal here into A, then 3-wave pullback into B, and again C wave here. We don't have any divergence here for this 3-wave move, as we don't expect that either, which is good. Then after that point we would have a 3-wave pullback here for the WXY, resetting the RSI, and from there on out we would be looking for one more low at least. So this would be my targets for that. A higher time frame expectation would be a WXY to around the 1-to-1 area. Now that would be also around the 0.5 retracement of this whole leg up, and definitely would be an interesting area to take longs. This is again assuming that we do break this previous lows here. So yeah, however, if we are going to be pivoting up one more, then I feel like we would have to be saying that we have done this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 possibly, or 5 here, and this would be only the third. So basically this would be getting up here. This would fit the idea of getting the 1.618 here as well. At that point, again, we could be looking for higher prices already with this done. And of course at that point again we would need that retrace for wave 2 to come at some point. What else do we have here on this area is previous support and resistance. We can see that we had consolidated here for quite some time. We did get a pullback into it, rejected downwards, again rejected downwards, rejected consolidation and get up. So yeah, it definitely has a very strong area on it. We could even pull this a bit higher to include these wicks into it, and definitely some kind of zone here for sure. Now on smaller time frame, what I've got here for this very last leg that I'm expecting is some kind of 5-wave move here. I could be labeling this as a diagonal here. I measured that it is expanding. Again, as it is an expanding diagonal, we have to be careful of labeling these at all because they are not that common. At the moment, I have this structure here as a possible 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or a triangle that I have here. On this very 5 minute, we don't have that clear look to be a triangle. 10 minutes and up, we do have an okay-ish look. Not the best though. If we are going to be taking out these lows here, we would be confirming more likely that this indeed is a triangle to the downside. If not, then we could be blasting off here. And this indeed would be the end. Here we can see again that we did hit that 0.618 extension of this first WXY, and however, again, as this is an expanded diagonal, we could be measuring these multiple waves, possibly 3, 3, and 3, or something else. So have to be careful here. I'm not going to be taking longs here, as I'm expecting lower still, but again, I got my alert set just above, just in case I can see a break upwards, and then I could be possibly looking for a long setup again. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I have for gold at the very moment. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of the day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.